everyone. Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home improvement products. Today, we have something exciting for all the kitchen enthusiasts out there: the Kraus KPF-1603SFS Artec Pro spot-free stainless steel finish. 2-function commercial-style PoE rinse. Kitchen faucet with pull-down spring spout and pot filler. That's a mouthful, but trust me, it's worth every word. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest updates on all things kitchen related. Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's talk about what makes this faucet stand out. The Kraus KPF-1603SFS is a high-end kitchen faucet that combines professional style with modern functionality. It features a spot-free stainless steel finish that resists fingerprints and water spots, making it easy to keep clean. The faucet also has a 2-function spray head, a pull-down spring spout, and a pot filler, making it versatile enough for any kitchen task. One of the biggest headaches with stainless steel appliances is dealing with fingerprints and smudges. But fear not. The Artec Pro comes with a spot-free stainless steel finish, keeping your faucet looking pristine with minimal effort. Say goodbye to constant cleaning and hello to a spotless kitchen. Here are the key features of the Kraus KPF-1603SFS Artec Pro. Spot-free stainless steel finish. This finish is resistant to fingerprints and water spots, making it easy to keep clean. 2-function spray head. The spray head has a stream and spray setting, making it perfect for rinsing dishes, filling pots, and cleaning the sink. Pull-down spring spout. The spout extends and retracts, making it easy to reach all areas of the sink. Pot filler. The pot filler is perfect for filling large pots and pitchers without having to move them to the sink. Magnetic docking. The spray head snaps back into place securely with a magnet. Easy clean rubber nozzles. The rubber nozzles can be easily wiped clean to prevent mineral buildup. High arc design. The high arc design provides ample clearance for filling large pots and pans. Here are some additional benefits that you can choose this product. The spot-free finish makes it easy to keep the faucet clean. The 2-function spray head makes it versatile for a variety of tasks. The pull-down spring spout makes it easy to reach all areas of the sink. The pot filler is perfect for filling large pots and pitchers. The magnetic docking keeps the spray head in place. The easy clean rubber nozzles prevent mineral buildup. The high arc design provides ample clearance for filling large pots and pans. The Kraus KPF-1603SFS Artec Pro is a versatile and stylish kitchen faucet that is perfect for busy cooks. It is well made and comes with a lifetime warranty, making it a great value for the price. Here are some pros and cons of the Kraus KPF-1603SFS Artec Pro kitchen faucet. Pros: commercial style design, spot-free finish, 2 spray modes, functional pot filler, durable construction. Cons: spray head maneuverability, pot filler necessity. Overall, the Kraus KPF-1603SFS Artec Pro is a high-quality, feature-rich kitchen faucet that is perfect for those who want a professional look and functionality in their kitchen. However, the price, size, and installation requirements may make it a less appealing option for some. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not this faucet is right for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. Here are some additional things to consider. The size of your kitchen. If you have a small kitchen, the large size of this faucet may not be a good fit. Your cooking habits. If you cook with large pots and pitchers often, the pot filler will be a valuable feature. However, if you don't use large pots very often, you may not need it. Your budget. This faucet is on the expensive side, so be sure to factor in the cost of installation when making your decision. Ultimately, the Kraus KPF-1603SFS Artec Pro is not just a kitchen faucet. It's a statement piece that combines style and functionality. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just someone who appreciates a well-designed kitchen, the Artec Pro is sure to elevate your culinary experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews, and let us know in the comments if you'd like to see more content like this. Until next time, happy cooking!